Head in the water. Go down. Relax. Stay relaxed. Doing good. Let's go. So boys, we're out here in San Diego Bay, day 2. You already know. Got the nice little Mercury 60 going. We got Ilya Kirchi here. He's been in one of our videos of sending it at Coral Canyon. And we got Christian up here. Joe Mover, you already know. And we're about to go get some more bait. Go try and catch some more halibut and maybe another orange rock corvina. That'd be nice. But we're out here with the Mercury, boys. Woo! You already know, a little foggy out. I don't know if you can really see it, but like all along that, it's all fog. So we're gonna be driving into the fog to go get some bait. So yeah, you guys will see that. That'll be pretty sick. Oh, you already know, boys. Dude, getting some bait, guys. We got Ilya driving the boat. Yeah, you go into the live bait thing right there. You already know.
Another day, another PBR, you know. Just we're chilling out here in San Diego Bay. We got this big ass boat over here. Like, what the hell even
at least 69 more pounds.
I think it's like 69 feet long, even like 669 feet long. Like what the hell even is that? Like, oh my gosh, dude. Like, look at these seagulls. Like,
oh my god.
no, those aren't seagulls. That's a pelican. We're at the bait dock right now. You know, the huge. Alright, got Reef. Got the man over there. Got Joe Mover. Getting the cash out, you know. Gotta give him money. Ilya. You know. Oh.
Just staying local today?
Yeah, we got this halibut spot down under the bridges.
Nice.
You know, over there by Spanish Landing, slamming. We lost 2 huge ones. We're here for redemption.
Oh shit, oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a legal, like a 23-incher, but it was super thick. He weighed 10 pounds.
Oh yeah, little fatty dude?
Yeah, who knew?
Like a 38
Oh man.
Lost it at the boat. Oh shit.
They got a little lesson at the dock what to do just before. It's a bass.
Yeah, I knew it was a bass.
Ilya, gentle, buddy. There's no need to frickin' rip the fish's face off.
Got Christian with a little fish. Little halibut. Nice.
Baby Hallie.
Baby Hallie.
Get it in. Bounce it. Bounce it. Get it in.
You can
No,
bounce it in. Gentle.
Bounce it in. It's not going to come off like that.
I don't mean bounce it down. Bring it in.
We got Joe Mover out here with another fish. Let's see what she is.
Got a lot of weight to it.
Maybe another bass.
It's another bass, a heavy bass.
Big bass. Get it in. Already know. See that thing? Little bass. Oh, nice little fish for Ilya going here.
I think it's a freaking
It's not giant. Don't reel so fast. Reel slow. Relax. Stay
Big
relaxed.
fish will lose if you're
Stay
really
relaxed. Stay relaxed. Stay relaxed. I think it's a halibut. Let's see. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I don't know yet. Keep going slow. Slow and steady. Nice little fish for Ilya going here. Oh shit. It might be a good halibut. Keep going slow. Keep going slow. You're doing good. You're doing good.
Hang your head over that
You're
side.
doing really good.
Where is it? Come on.
It's coming
Really?
up. Go slow.
Pressure.
Keep going.
And don't keep that pole tip high, just like you're doing.
Oh, hey, don't fucking
Keep it high, bring it
lose
to
this
me.
bitch, dude. You're doing good. You're doing good. Nice fish, Ilya. Oh, I think I just saw it. I saw it. Where is it, dude?
It's just drag. I charge.
Oh, it's right here.
Dude, time my drag.
Get back a little bit. Tighten this drag a little bit. You have to stop reeling. Just a little bit. Good. Okay, bring it. Bring it. Go to the other side of the boat.
Dude, this is hurting my wrist too much.
Good.
I got it.
It's a big outlet. Come to me. Come to me. Come. Keep his head in the water.
Keep his head in the water. Keep his head in the water.
Go down.
Go down. Relax. Stay relaxed. You're doing good,
Head out
Ilya.
of the water.
Stay relaxed.
Got him in the
Let's go! Yes, Ilya! High five! Let's go! That's big enough.
Open
That's
the
fucking
spool.
legal.
Open the spool.
Let's go! Yes!
Hell yeah, I think it's big as
Yes! Motherfucker.
Dude, that thing
Let's
that
go.
was hurting my wrist.
Yeah, this kid broke his arm, but nice fish for Ilya. That's a fat one right there, boys. I got it.
No, it's in there. It's in the bucket.
Okay,
Open up that stuff. Measurement.
Got Joe with the fish
Ooh,
on
that's
my
a big
rod.
one.
Here's the big halibut that Ilya just got.
Let's
It's about
go,
26 inches. This is his first ever legal halibut.
Dude.
Nice, big old halibut. We're gonna get Joe Mover's fish right here. Nice little bass. Val hooked her. Nice little 26 incher. Let's go, Ilya.
Halibut. That looks illegal.
No, that's not legal.
I'll net it though. Let me see it.
No, you don't net these things because
It
it
looks
fucks
so
them up.
close.
No, he's not legal. I can tell. Dad, bounce him, bounce him. Please get him in though. Bounce him. He's not legal. He's like freaking 18. Not a crazy Joe on the halibut.
Halibut coming to slow. Look at that.
Woo!
And then keeping his face forward. See how
Get
I'm
in.
bringing it? I'm not bringing it vertical. And then I gotta make it turn. Watch.
Joe Mover.
This is how you bring it to the gap.
How to get
And then
it.
you ejected everything, turning him back, bringing him in for that gap. See that? Driving him, baby, driving him.
Get him in.
Woo, woo, woo.
Nice fish, eh?
Okay.
Oh. We got Christian with a big old bass on. Oh shoot.
Oh, he did wrong.
Let's see, let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, huge bass. Like a 3-pounder, I'd say, maybe 2.5.
Fish kisser. Let me see that thing.
Fish kisser?
Fish kisser.
Kiss her and then throw her back. Oh, right on the motor. Yeah. So, boys, we got Christian's fish still in the boat because he's bad. He doesn't know how to unhook a fish.
Get out of here.
Look at this kid. He can't even
Dude,
grab
no,
it.
it's the fucking.
And we weren't really recording because all of our hearts were racing. And my dad just caught a freaking like 30-inch halibut. We haven't measured it yet because we don't want it to get out of the boat. We got Ilya's in here too, right here. We got 2 halibut in the boat. And we're gonna eat good. You already know. What are you gonna say? Yeah. What do you gotta say?
Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Nice little fish.
I'm gonna let him go. Look at that fin on the.
Let me get them angles. Nice little fish. You gotta say.
Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Oh shoot!
Drop it again.
Ilya keeps catching the same halibut. He literally dropped it. He was reeling up and he had it, came off, dropped it down, bit it again, hooked it up,
It's gone. The bait's
dropped
gone.
it again, hooked it up again. Literally hooked it
Yeah,
3
look
times.
how shredded this thing
Look at
is.
that bait.
It was a baby one
Let me
though.
see this bait. Yeah, it was too small, but that's shredded from that little halibut. It's big fish.
Rick has a big fish on. Pretty sure it's a halibut.
Oh
Yep.
shit!
Oh no, that's a big
That's
bass.
the biggest bass of the day right there, boys. Yeah! Little 3-pounder going here. Let's go. Haven't caught a halibut today yet, but we got the big bass. You already know, boys. We got all the boys out here. We got
Don't reel, don't
Ilya
reel.
catching a
Reel up
fat-ass
higher.
fish. Okay, let's see. Got that hook up, I think. Coming over.
He's huge. He's huge.
No, that's not legal.
Okay.
But bounce it in. Like, lift it up and bring it in.
Quickly,
Give me your line.
all the way up and in.
Fuck, it came off. It was too small anyway. I could tell it was.
Yeah, he was. He was only about.
He was 18.
Nice fish, bro.
That was a nice fish though.
I was doing what you told me. I had more control.
Damn lemon. We got the damn lemon. Might have to pick that thing up to cook up the halibut for later. Sorry, I can't get a good angle. But we got all the halibut. And I just caught a fat bass. I'm pretty sure it should be in the video, but I don't know. Because obviously I'm not editing right now, I'm fishing. But you already know, under the bridge. Oh, I'm getting bit, getting bit. Bite me again. But yeah, Ilya keeps catching fat ones. He just caught like an 18-incher, fell off at the boat. Christian, not catching too much, but he'll catch a big one soon, I bet. Joe Mover, catching fatties. Oh, fatty right here. Oh, good one. Woo! Nice little guy.
Keeping that head high.
Keeping him up.
The arm and the halibut.
Oh, shit.
Another one. Look at him. Slamming him.
We might have to be gaffing this one. I don't know about that though. Maybe just bounce it.
Bouncing, bouncing.
Bouncing.
Step out of the way.
He's about 22 maybe. but I don't know. I don't want to put a hole in him for no reason. Get him in, get him in. Get him out of the way. Shit. Get in. He might be 22. I don't know, but we'll measure him. What do you got to say about that one?
Ain't no thing, yeah.
Ain't no thing but chicken wing.
Oh, but catch you. Damn power bait.
Power bait. What is this, Florida? Power bait. What do you got to say? Oh, seagull. What is it? So they put in, what is this, World War III? What is this, World War III? You already know, boys, we're out here at the front of the boat. We're moving back to the bridge because back there wasn't working too good. I caught a big bass. Didn't record it. You already know. I don't know what to say. I'm just kidding. You already know, guys. We're out here catching fat toads. Another day, another PBR. Just gonna hold her wide.
What the hell is that? A chicken bone?
Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Chicken bone.
Got me a chicken bone.
Chicken bone.
Chicken bone, chicken bone. Get the fuck off of that chicken bone. I had fucking something on my pole.
You missed it. I just caught a big bass at this spot here. Ilya just caught a big old halibut.
Dude,
not big enough though. I think it's about 18 probably, I'd say.
Don't go walk over there yet. No, you can't. I'm open.
Let me see it. Okay, we're gonna release my bass and then show you his fish. Getting this little release in for this nice beauty. Going in. Nice little release. Drop it. Woo! Nice little release. We're out here, right here. We got another big bass. Ilya's got a bass right there. Gonna throw it back. Gonna get this release in. Okay, we got Christian. He's on the last bait of the day. So yeah, we're right here. Caught some fat toads. What you guys say about them fat toads? Yeah, boys.
Ran out of bait. Rain man.
Where are we going? Oh shit. Okay, we're going into the place. We're about to end the day. This is gonna be the end of the video, boys. Maybe do a little catch and cook actually. There might be a little part 2 of how to fillet these fish and how to eat them. You didn't see that? You already know, boys. So I lost my voice because I was, you know, full sending it. Got the place right here. Got a boat coming in.